Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create a realistic talking AI avatar using Edimakor. The entire process is much easier than you might think. I don't waste your time, let's dive in. Step 1. Open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Step 2. Select Avatar Appearance. Go to AI Avatar, Talking Photo, Human Avatar. There are 3 different ways to create your avatar appearance. The first method is uploading a character photo. Simply import a clear image of the person you want to use. Make sure the face is visible and high quality, so Edimakor can accurately analyze the facial features and create a more realistic avatar. The second method is generating an AI avatar. Click AI Generate. Here, you'll find 2 character options: generic character and real model. For this tutorial, I recommend using the generic character mode. First, give your avatar a name. Then describe the character you want in the prompt box. If you're not sure how to describe your ideal avatar, you can use prompt tags to quickly select specific appearance features and customize your digital human. Next, set the aspect ratio. Edimakor provides various avatar styles. For the most realistic results, I recommend choosing realistic style or ultra-realism style. Finally, click Generate. After a short wait, your custom AI avatar will be created. The third method is choosing from Edimakor's built-in avatar library. You can directly select an existing character and start creating your video immediately. Step 3. Add speech to your character. Now it's time to add a voice to your avatar. Edimakor provides 3 different ways to add speech. The first option, upload an audio file from your computer. The second option, record your own voice directly. The third option, use Edimakor's built-in AI voice feature. Click here, enter Voice Library to explore different AI voices. Edimakor supports more than 150 languages, making it perfect for creating multilingual content. It also provides a wide variety of voice styles and tones. Preview different voices.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
And choose the one that best matches your avatar's personality. Then click Confirm. After that, enter the script you want your avatar to speak. Step 4. Describe your changes. Now enter your desired changes in the prompt box. For example, I want my avatar to have more natural body movements and maintain direct eye contact with the camera. Finally, click Generate. After a few moments, your complete AI avatar video with realistic expressions, natural movements, and synchronized speech will be created.
Download Edimakor today and start creating your own realistic AI avatar videos.
And that's the complete workflow for creating a customized AI avatar with Edimakor. From designing your own digital human to generating realistic talking avatar videos.